We're at the 12-year anniversary. They're doing an LS swap and a 350. Get that sugar rush or what? Cadillac Escalade V, it's all complete. Registration green looks sick on anything, but the Brabus Rocket 700. You guys are asking about the tire mark. I mean, I had a little too much fun on that vlog that day. Oh my God, that is fire. My guys. Guys, we got the 2025 Cadillac Escalade V. It's all complete. The car came out obviously beautiful because we did it. The paint is protected, fully PPF. We did ceramic coating on it, did tints on the car. We did an immobilizer system on it. I don't know, there's a couple other things that we did, but the truck came out obviously beautiful. Escalades that are coming out now in this shape, honestly, I love because you've seen the way mine is. It's just 2 years older, but it just makes it look so much more aggressive with that light that's right here, that's super slim, and then it connects to this. And then obviously the V, you have that more aggressive grille, the more aggressive vents on the bottom, sharper lips. Yeah, it comes factory 24s with this thing, new modern interior. I think it's still in transport mode, so a lot of the features aren't working fully yet. They have to like take it out of transport mode. But this has the full screen. This has all carbon fiber in it. We fully PPF'd all the panels on the inside, so all the gloss pieces, all the carbon, the screens, all the buttons, everything has been protected and fully ceramic coated as well. But yeah, we're gonna go drop off the car. We put a Keys Pro system in there, so it has a tracking system and a mobilizer in it. Yeah, we're gonna go drop it off at Applewood Cadillac, and hopefully they have another one for us. We got this brand new C8. My boy Frenchie, grew up with him back in high school. Amazing guy. Started a Turo business, so he has a couple cars. He just got this for Turo as well. Corvettes are sick deals right now. Yeah, but in Miami, like in the States, they kill it with the Corvettes. So here, I mean, it's dope. At least like for the payments that you're making on these cars now that you're able to get them and not have to worry about, what do you call it? The crazy MSRPs, prices that people put on top of the MSRPs. Yeah, so a low model 1LT you can get for like 86, 85K. Yeah. So you're under the Lux tax bracket. Yeah, like the payments are super cheap on it, but because remember, 2-3 years ago, you couldn't even get these. You're putting like 50K, 100K on top. Now they're just sitting in fields. Full front PPF done, all the grille pieces done, all the gloss black pieces done, 5-year ceramic coating, and I think that's it for this one. Interior we didn't do, because again, he just got it for Turo, so it's just enough to protect it. Yeah, a lot of people are gonna damage it, bro. It's a sad world of Turo, you know? But yeah, they got the car done quickly, efficiently. It was raining a lot last week and stuff, so then obviously we couldn't deliver the car. When you first ceramic coat a vehicle, you can't drive in the rain right away, or you can't wash it right away, so. Mustang 5.0. I do like this color. My cousin actually had this on his M2CS. KPMF Vengeance Red. It's gonna look really, really nice in the sun with the metallic. So yeah, so going from black to that, we're doing stripes on this thing. And I think we might be ceramic coating it. I have to talk to the client to see if he wants to do it. He really wanted Bridge Racing Green, but they don't have it in stock. It's like end of August or something. So I was like, you know what, just I think it looks sick. Registration green looks sick on anything, but he had choices of red, burgundies, and then the green. So I advised him, like, bro, you don't want to do a color that looks like a stock, like factory color, because these Mustangs come in like a burgundy-ish kind of red. So yeah, this one actually worked out perfect. We had it in stock, and
this is different from like the red you usually.
I usually do like a Ferrari red. Yeah.
This is like a deeper.
Yeah. So stay tuned for that. I just had to smile. The Brabus Rocket 700. This thing is crazy, bro. Honestly, when I first pulled up the other day, I was like, bro, what is this thing? Yeah, it's super fire. Look, you got the whole carbon hood too. I don't know if any of the other pieces were carbon before it got painted. The truck looks gorgeous. It has that like Dubai spec with the clear glass, which is super rare.
Oh, is that how?
Yeah, like usually they always come tinted, right? They always come factory tinted, but this has the see-through glass, so it has that like Euro spec and Dubai spec. Has a full red Alcantara roof. It wasn't done by us. This job was done by somebody else. There's a couple things that my boy wanted to fix up on it, so we're gonna take a look at it and see what's wrong. Get this thing back on the showroom floor so they can sell this car. It is for sale. Hit up Faraz. You gotta slam those doors if you know G Wagon. Update, you guys seen the SL55 come in. Now you see the color that we went with. Gorgeous color, honestly it looks like paint. Matches the black metallic. We did the whole two-tone look. It has that Maybach feel. Obviously a lot of people are saying it looks like an Oreo because of the top, but the customer is gonna have this top down majority of the times. But it came out really, really nice. Obviously flowed with the same headlight span that goes to the back. So it just flows right through and it looks proportionate. Like it actually looks like it came like this from factory. Yeah, I'm gonna open up this back door so we don't die with this gas smell in here. Yeah, you can come take a look and see the back. It's almost done here. Just gonna trim out the trunk, trim out the spoiler. And then this will be delivered to Mercedes probably in the next hour or so.
It's like a 24-hour turnaround.
Yeah, less, because like just the time that we did it is only a couple hours. I mean, not a couple hours, but well, yeah, less than a day, pretty much when you think about it. You guys are asking about the tire mark. I mean, I had a little too much fun on that vlog that day. It's private property, by the way, so don't worry. But
That podcast isn't out yet, right?
no, so this was obviously seal coated when we first built the shop. It's obviously faded now for the past 2 years. It's still kind of dark. It's darker than what the regular road is. But I think I might have to do a couple more burnouts to even it out and make it look all dark. What do you think? It's left a bunch of rubber out here too. Well, we were talking about the rear tire size, so I want to go wider. So I mean, it was perfect, right? Look at all the rubber here. Still here. Yeah, we'll need some rubber. All right, boys, we're at the 12-year anniversary. We got Mr. My Tea Bar right here. You know, the best bubble teas in town. We got the gang here. Yo, come here, Harish. We got Mr. DJ Harish. 12 years we're celebrating, guys. You guys been rocking with us for a very long time. Keep subscribing.
No new friends.
Yeah. It's just the OGs only, huh?
Baby,
The OGs only. The OGs only.
We're going on to 15 just now.
Where's what's his name? Lou, yeah.
Oh, great. Supposed to bring in the rat rod.
Oh, sick. That's gonna be crazy.
Yeah.
I gotta park that inside.
Yeah, he's
Put on an angle there. See the other 370 there? Yo, you hear that? They're doing an LS swap and a 350. Yeah. We gotta tell the boss that. That's gonna be dope.
yeah, it's pretty fun. But yeah, so he should be bringing the rat rod.
Okay, sick.
That's it.
That rat
Bring
rod's
something
coming.
cool.
One of my guys is here.
Yeah, he's in over there. That's Chris.
Oh, Chris, yeah. He has a crazy following on Instagram too. Yeah. Look nasty, bro. Yo, it's Laguna Seca Blue, like my cousins. You see my cousins that I posted the other day? He got the G80. New York. Yeah, kept so wavy. He had the M2 with the single turbo. Yeah, so he just got a G80 individual spec Laguna Seca Blue. So fire. Yeah, you just gotta dump it now, bro. You gotta dump it with these wheels.
That's the Euro special.
Yeah, wheels that dump this shit right away,
I
bro.
got RW diffuser.
Sick. RW carbon is their carbon's really
But these,
really
the
nice.
skirts are theirs, and then the lips are theirs.
Yeah. Also sick. The white interior. To open the window, show the interior a bit, you know?
Yeah.
Go like halfway. Not even all of it, whatever you want. Yeah. So yeah, that's now you see the beauty. I took my tints off because I wanted to show the interior and go Euro spec. Bro, interior like this, you just take the tints off, bro.
I got like I got like legal tints. You know?
Yeah. It's just so much. It's just when you see the interior like that, like, bro, it's just so beautiful. You don't want to hide it. Now the wheels are fire. Super fire. Get that sugar rush or what? I know, that's why I'm feeding him. Here, Baba. No more? Oh, wow.
Take one picture with my son.
It's YouTube.
YouTube? Okay, I want to be on YouTube. I never been on YouTube.
Oh my God, that is fire. My God.
It's all cabin me though. You gotta give credit to my dog.
What are you saying, my dogs? What are you saying, bro? Oh my God, I haven't seen you guys in a minute. Calvin, baby. I told him, I'm like, when I saw his, I'm like, I want one. Where's Sophie? Come here. Thank you so much. Thank you, love. Thank you.
And you know what? Whenever you want to take it out, it's just a couple frames you can wear.
That's something I'm gonna hang up. I gotta frame that. Leave it the way it is. That's fire, bro. Look at that, Ethan. You gotta take a picture of that. Yeah. All right, let's do the shotgun. Let's do the shotgun quick. We're gonna celebrate this. Yeah, but yo, hold it straight, right? So hold like this and go like this and crack it open.
It's already gone.
No, open mine, babe. Open mine. Hold on, let her open hers. Ready? Cheers.
It's not gluten free, eh?
Done. Remember, I'm still a champion. No drip. No drip.
I don't mean to alarm you. I faked that one. I drank it because I didn't know. I thought she opened it and you're supposed to pop it when you open it.
What? Big man charms? A big man charm, not small man, huh? Yo, everybody, because of this man, I met my wife, huh? Know that, baby. What you saying, my brother?
Hey, brother.
Love you, bro.
I love you too.
You know, man, I always love you, man.
Where's mom, yo?
Mom is here. She's here somewhere. You gotta get the crane and go up there and hang it up. Hey, what's up?
I got you.
Thank you, bro.
Don't even see it.
Good to see you. I'm getting stopped like every second, man.
Anniversary.
Thank you, man. Thank you so much for coming.
No problem.
Wait, you brought the Tesla?
It's extra charging. Yeah.
Oh, at IKEA.
Yeah.
Okay, when it's done, bring it here.
It's not clean enough to be on this premises today.
Okay, bring it. It's fine. It's fine. Bring it.
I got the cam rails replaced a week ago, last Friday.
Oh, so it's
all silver on
raw?
the top and gas, so it's like, you know I'm not here.
We'll rock it. Thank you so much as always, bro.
Thanks for having us.
Appreciate you. Thank you so much. Appreciate you guys. Love, bro. Bro, we've had rain every year. And it's like finally just sun, you know? Yeah. Yeah, amazing summer weather.
Cloudy sun, you know.
Yeah, it's not too hot. Oh, this is perfect. Bro, my ninja, bro.
We gotta make some content though.
100%. Let's do it during the week.
What?
We'll do it during the week.
I said,
We'll plug it in. We'll put on a channel, and then we'll plug it. We'll plug in the Jersey Max in the.
You should hang that right there.
All your own cars.
Nah, man.
You should hang that right there.
Yo, Nero, Mr. Art Emotion. We're here celebrating 12 years. Of course, I got my parents here, my best friend. I'm telling you guys, it's been an amazing ride all these 12 years. I wouldn't have been able to do it without them here, without my wife, without my friends, my family, all you guys that support me. It's been such a crazy ride, I'll tell you that. But 12 years, 10 years we built this. For 20 years, maybe we'll do it in Dubai, we'll do it somewhere crazy. But thank you, keep watching, keep subscribing. We're gonna keep rocking it for obviously you guys. So thank you again, I love you guys.